was Lord. His name was the Handcuff Lord. Yeah, he ruined me. He ruined my life. That dude with the handcuffs, you know him with the hood on it. Yeah. Well, he ruined my life. Those are good times. He saw me. He got the handcuffs and he handcuffed me. I was so mad. I was like, stupid little stupid. You know. He went like, dang, and psst, and psst. You should have seen the look on his face. Hey. So the dude with the dude who's not me, he broke my stick that I need to survive, and he took off my hands, and he stole my shirt right here. See my shirt, and then I had to buy new eyeballs. They're Apple. You can buy eyeballs at Apple. Pretty cool. That's what you've done to us, Cuff Lord.
Bloopers.
Sorry. Gotta get your hand back a little bit. Okay, there, and then restart.